Good morning, Year 2. Today we are comparing volume. And volume isn't the sort of volume that you turn up and down on your TV. It is the amount of space that something takes up. So let's look at these containers. Which container has the biggest volume when completely full? So which one takes up the most space? Well, this one's quite little, isn't it? So I think it would be this one here. When it's completely full, that would be our biggest volume. Okay, that one. Which one has the least? So if that has the biggest volume, which has the least volume? The least. It's got to be the smallest, hasn't it? Can you put them in order? So I want you to pause the video, have a look and see if you can put them in order for me, okay? Biggest to smallest or smallest to biggest, I don't mind. Okay, let's go smallest to biggest. So this one would be first. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is the order from smallest to biggest. Okay, we need to compare the volume. So my glass is empty because. So this girl has used the word empty. So what could this girl say? My glass is something something because. What is her glass? It's not empty. It's not all the way to the top. So it is half full. So this girl's glass is half full. And the boy could say, my glass is full. Okay? Empty, half full, full. Who has got the most? Who has got the least? And do any of the children have the same amount? So, who has got the most? Let's number the children because we don't know their names. So let's call them 1, 2, 3, and 4. So who has the most? Children 1 and 4 have the most. So we can write 1 and 4. Who's got the least? Who's got the least orange juice? Have a look. We know it's not 1 and 4, so it's got to be between 2 and 3. And 2 has got slightly more than 3. So 3 has got the least. Do any of the children have the same amount? Well, we've already sort of answered that, haven't we, with who's got the most. We know that children 1 and 4 have got the least. Children 1 and 4 have got the least. Draw a line to the word that best describes the volume of each container. So, are any of them full? Right to the top? No. So we can cross this word out because we're not going to use it. Now we know it's really easy to see half. So let's look at half full first. Which of these to you looks half full? It's this one, isn't it? Well done. Which one looks quarter? Now remember, a quarter is smaller than a half. So this isn't a quarter, is it? So it must be this one. And 3/4 is 3 of these, and it's more than a half, which is the jug of orange juice, because look, it's more than half but not quite full to the top. Okay, the children are emptying this swimming pool. If the children wanted to empty the pool, which container would be the best? Okay, so they want to empty it as quick as they can. Which of these containers would be the best? Would it be this smaller cup or the slightly bigger mug? Just think about it, and if you had both, which one would hold more water? Well done, it would be the mug, because it holds more water. Can you think of another container that would be even better? If you can let me and Miss Smith know. This is your challenge in today's video, so you can let us know by email if you can think of a better container to empty the swimming pool. And that's it. So, bronze. You need to tell me if the glasses are quarter full or 3/4 full. You need to use the comparison symbol, so the greater than, less than and equals to for these. You've got to draw lines to match the description to the container, and then you need to order the containers based on their capacity. Silver, you're doing questions 1, 2 and 3 on the silver and gold sheet. Gold, you're doing questions 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And platinum, you need to tell me which has got the largest capacity, compare the capacities here, and then tell me if the children are correct and explain your answer. Any questions, as usual, just email me or Miss Smith and we'll be happy to help. And I will be back tomorrow with Thursday's maths video. I hope you have a lovely day.